Hi and welcome to the studio. Well, isn't it the hive of industry in here? So I'm coming to the end of the 100 days of pastels, and there's lots of other things that I'm trying to get sorted out for that. I've had lots of inquiries about the prints, and so prints will become available. Some of the originals will be sold, so I will be leaving some information about that. I'm also compiling a 100 Days of Pastels book, which is going to be available on Amazon, and so we've got a course coming up, and I say we, me, myself and I, and it will be taking you through the steps of working with pastels and looking at some of the techniques that I use, looking at how to take care of your pastels, the kind of papers to use, creating an image, creating a landscape, and so I'll go step by step, and there will be PDFs available for you to download as well. So I hope you join me for the course. The course will probably be coming out mid-August, towards the end of August, but I will be letting you have details, and you can pre-sign up to register your interest in the course, and so when the course is made available, I'll send you out the details and you'll get that and be notified straight away. But some of the other things that I've been working on in the studio, I'd love you to come and have a look. You're going to get a sneak peek of some of the other work that I've been doing. It was something that I've always wanted to try, had the equipment, but it's sat there. So I'm going to be doing an exhibition mid-July, and so I wanted to use this particular technique for that exhibition. It's very different from some of the things that it's very different from my style, but it captures elements of that style. So without further ado, we're going to go and take a look. Remember, it's just a sneak peek, and I hope that you're able to join me as we dive deeper into this technique. Again, it's all about trying things that you have the equipment or you'd like to try and you just haven't taken that step. So for me, this year is all about completing things that you wanted to start but never did. Okay, so come and join me. Okay, here we are. As I said, it is a very sneak peek. So I've been working on screen printing and lino cutting and making my own stencils, and so that's been really fantastic. I'll show you a sneak peek of one of the cards. This is one of the cards. I haven't finished printing it yet, but I just wanted to see how it would look. And again, it's making our art affordable, but it's giving people who would love to own original pieces of art and may not be able to buy, say, a painting, or this is a screen print, an original screen print, so there aren't any. This is a unique design in itself. So for these particular ones, the colours have been laid down each individually by hand. And the same with the cards. And so I'm really excited about the cards because, again, that's an original piece of art that you can then frame, you can send as a gift, and it enables you to become a collector. So that's what I really wanted to show you, and I hope you join me on this journey. So look out for the exhibition coming up. Yes! Yeah! So I hope you join me on the journey. I hope you saw something of interest, and I hope that, you know, if you've never tried screen printing, that you come and join me on this journey, and you can see some of the techniques that I use, and what fun it is. It's really great. It's again something that I'd kind of put down and thought, oh yeah, not now, not ready. But when I dabbled with it, it was just like, oh my goodness, look what you've been holding yourself back from. So join me on the journey, and I look forward to seeing you. Remember, you can register your interest for the pastel course, and yeah, let's do this. Take care.